Hi, John Ozzy here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. I'm reviewing the account of Adeolu today. Adeolu has been trading with us from the 17th of May 2021 up until the present date of review, 9th of June, 11th of June 2021. Adeolu has had a daily gain of 0.38%, a monthly gain of 11.28%, and a drawdown of 7.58%. Adeolu is managing 30,000 US dollars, and this is the journey. As we can see, Adeolu's had a drawdown on the 30th of May of minus 0.38%. Then, as we can see, that as the journey goes, the drawdown has gone on to be in positive territory while preserving the balance and achieving the goal. So that's very, very good in terms of discipline. Looking at this trader's had a total of 439 trades within the 8 weeks of joining the program. And looking at the successful rate, this trader Adeolu has won 373 trades out of 439 trades. This represents 85%. And lost 66 out of 439, which represents 15% loss rate. So this trader is effective 85% right majority of the time. And the total amount of pips that's been gained over a period of time is staggering and impressive, 5,777.7 pips. So this is a very big achievement here. And at the same time, the drawdown has been maintained and within the risk parameters. So what can we see for this trader to do and improve? Looking at the monthly analytics, 3.55% in May, 7.46 growth in June, so which is very good, very impressive. Looking at the history of trades, let's look at some random trades that have been taken. This trader's got stop loss as well in place, trading the Euro US dollar, and you can see 84.9 pips, 69 pips, 31 pips. And looking at the Euro US dollar, I'm very impressed with this trader's approach, because this trader has a stop loss in place and a take profit in place. And this is very good discipline and money management. So I can't take nothing away from this trader. Looking at the pairs that this trader's traded, we can see the trader's traded quite a few pairs. But more successfully, this trader has been more successful trading the Euro US dollar, as I've highlighted here, 4,531.9 pips, which is a staggering total of 1612.10. And the only other pair this trader's been good at is the CAD JPY, where this trader's made $37.2. But overall, we can see the Euro US dollar is this trader's strongest point. So I would definitely focus on the pair that gives me the consistent gains. And at the same time too, try and reduce your drawdown or your percentage loss rate, maybe by a percentage or two, and try and increase your percentage gain as well by 2 to 5%. This will help you build your confidence and steady consistency moving forward onto the later stages of the FTP program. So I'm very confident that you're going to go on to the next level, which is 60,000 US dollars. And this is a very good attempt in the 8 weeks you've joined the program. So I expect within another 8 weeks for you to double the effort, improve on your mistakes, take the positive feedback, and come back on top, and we'll be reviewing the account of $60,000. So congratulations on your achievement, and I look forward to reviewing this account again in the future.